Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is one that I'm very excited about. I've been wanting a gold mirror for so long, but they range anywhere from like $800 to $1,000 to $2,000. And so I was dabbling in the idea of making my own, and then I came across this photo, which I felt this mirror was like perfect. It was everything I wanted, and I really just debated on whether spending the money and going ahead with something I really wanted. And then I found out that Janice actually has a whole story highlights on how she made her own, and so I had to give it a try, and that's what this video is. I would be lying if I said it was without any difficulty. Hopefully, watching me go through my process, you'll avoid the same mistakes or kind of figure out how to get around them and then make it easier for you. With that being said, I want to jump right into the video, so let's get started. So right now I'm gonna go in with some sandpaper and roughen it up. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Ah! Wait, before I do anything. Don't know how to sit to be comfortable right now. Okay, there we go. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it went from a smooth to a velvet finish, and this is just going to allow the spray paint to latch onto the material a lot easier. Also, here are the ornaments for the mirror, the 4 corner pieces and then the centerpiece. These are all bought from Home Depot. When I was at Home Depot, I found this flower pot that I thought would be perfect for my pistole, and I think the theme totally matches that of the mirror, the appliques on the mirror. So yeah, this is pretty cute.
Wouldn't it be nice if your plan bust and you let me have this one? Could you let me have this one? Imaginary crumbs are led me to ya. I've been having fun but going cuckoo, forever thinking everyone's the one. Punched in the love, God, I can hear my weakness grow.
Okay, so I am completely out of this paint. I still have the other one to put on top of this, and I'm kind of scared because it looks good so far, like the mirror looks good, and I don't want to push my luck and put on the other paint and have it look bad. But yeah, so if I can do this, so can you guys, and it's so much better than spending $800, $900, $1,000, whatever they go for.
And I won't see him this weekend. Imaginary crumbs have fed me stardust. Wouldn't it be nice if your plan bust and you let me have this?
Okay, so I gotta do one more coat on top, and I think I'm good for the big piece.
I've been having fun but going cuckoo, forever thinking everyone's the one.
Oh my god. Okay, so I'm finding all these little specks right here, all of that, and that's from the actual paint. I'm so annoyed.
Could you let me have it? Could you let me have it?
The more I do it, the more, like, that's gone now and that's there. What do I do? It's like splattering paint all over. It's like dropping paint. I think overall though it still looks good, so I'm not gonna like beat myself up too much about it. Okay, so it's been a couple days since I last allowed the paint to dry. The next, like the day after I painted, like the muscle that you use to spray like on the arm was so sore, and so were my legs. I was basically squatting the whole time painting the mirror, and it was like I was working out without even knowing, and I felt it the next day. So that was kind of cool, but kind of painful. So I went back and got another one of the first spray paints that I used for the mirror, because trying to wash out the splatters from the second paint, just like I kept reusing that paint and it's just not the color that I want. It completely washed out the first color, which I liked better than the second one. So I went and got more, and I am going to apply like an even coat of the first color on top of the second color now, and then hopefully I'm done after that. Honestly, I fucked it up so bad. I'm gonna cry right now. I'm actually gonna cry. So, yeah.
Waiting on a moment when your heart aligns with mine.
I am so tired. Realistically, I should have stopped like 30 coats ago, but of course, because it's me, this is how it had to play out. I'm just gonna let it dry now, and then I'm gonna apply the appliques and get on with the rest of my life.
Just how you feel, tell me that you feel like I feel. She said patience, patience is key. She wanted to see where this night would lead. But if you want something more, want this for sure. look back on better times. I'm not trying to control you, I just need you to be mine. But I'll tell you what's true, just how I feel, if you tell me that you feel like I feel. She said patience, patience is key.
So that is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and also be subscribed so I can see you back for more. I've got tons of new things coming up and I'm very excited. So hopefully I'll see you back for that. And I think that's it. So bye for now.